So today we're doing a venison stew in my 18th century big pot. This one's 5 quart, I believe, that I got from Townsend's a while ago. What do you want, you little scrounge? Yeah, beat it. Beat it. But so I have a pint jar, hey, out, of canned venison. This was from a top round steaks that were cut into cubes and then just canned for stew later. It's not enough for this big pot, so what I have here is some bottom round steaks that were also cubed to add to this. In the pot right now there's chopped up turnip, celery, garlic, and onions, and carrots. So we're going to add this meat to that. The fire's been going for quite some time, so there's a lot of coals in there. The flames have kind of burnt down to a lower level, so that'll help heat up the pot quick. Again, this pot's like super duty, trust me, heavy. So it'll take a little bit to heat that pot up and all the contents in it, and then just as it burns down, it's just going to simmer all day until dinner time. So I think it's, I'm not even sure, 10 in the morning right now. So we'll get this stuff in there, get it hung over the fire with the Dremel, and it's going to be a good supper. Alright, so we got the cubed up venison from the cutting board there. One thing I failed to mention in the jar here is this meat's definitely cooked. So when you can it, it was packed in this jar raw, but the canning process actually cooks it, and that meat in there is like super tender. So we're just going to add that and all its juices. Someone sounds frustrated. Who is it? Who is it? So you have it fresh, no knead bread, buttered venison stew that's been going all day. So I actually had therapy today, so I was stepped out for a while, but cast iron held the temp at least warm. I stoked the fire back up when I got back, just a little bit, get it ticking back over, but It smells so good in here. I ain't gonna lie to you. A little pepper. Maybe a lot of pepper. Because that's how I do. Some salt. This comes out pretty fast. It's probably way too hot to eat because that thing's boiling still. Just took it off. Let's get out some of this bread. Said it before, I'll say it again. If you can bake fresh bread at home, you are definitely winning. That was so good. Yeah, I'd kill for like a Portuguese roll right now, fresh from the bakery, but that's good. Got my pal sitting right here waiting for his. He knows he's gonna get some. But I don't want to ramble on, slop all this down in front of you guys. So thanks you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Looking forward to the comments. Let me know what you think editing wise, and maybe what you want to see in the future. So I have a plan on videos I'm definitely gonna do, but you know, aside of how to light a fire in the woods, let me know what you guys want to see. Till the next time, God bless. One bite. One bite.